soft sunrise colors, magic is everywhere we look. At the edge of the whispering forest, magic dances in every breeze and leaf. At the edge of the whispering forest, magic dances in every breeze and leaf. Playing in the royal gardens, magic surrounds every step and laugh. Even the gentlest breeze can carry magic through the gardens. With a joyful cry, Elara was lifted beyond her kingdom, straight into the open sky. This place, it's magical. These candy trees, they're incredible. The candy trees. They're like rainbow dreams. I need to find my way back home. Whimsyland is so vast. And it has its own rules. The key to get home is hidden inside a magnificent candy maze. The gingerbread walls, they're even more magical up close. I'm ready. I must find the key.